This all-in-one software will allow you to automate your entire affiliate marketing process and your YouTube channel. The first thing you're going to do is enter in your website or affiliate link into the website section, then choose your theme and generate a video with AI. This will allow you to create promotional videos for your affiliate links, which you can either post as long-form YouTube videos or YouTube shorts. Here's an example of a video I just made.
Welcome to the great discovery of the future of e-learning and online business. This AI-powered platform is designed to transform how you manage your business operation.
You can then go to the imaging tools with the AI Genius Club to create hyper-realistic images for your YouTube thumbnails, or you can go to the Genius Image Model, train an AI based upon your face and likeness, then create images of yourself in a variety of different settings and lighting. These are perfect for YouTube thumbnails because you don't have to hire a professional photographer or continue to take photos of yourself. You can also go to the Genius Movie Editor to edit any of your videos or to string multiple videos together. You can then use the website tools to purchase domains, launch and train your own chatbots, and create websites and funnels that will drive more people into your different affiliate offers. And the CRM system within the AI Genius Club allows you to send out mass emails and set up email sequence automations. The AI Genius Club also includes 5 terabytes of free storage and a task manager so you can track your to-do list, and a sticky note system so you can save important passwords, documents, or anything you need to keep track of. There's also writing tools within the AI Genius Club that allow you to enter in your website or affiliate link that will then automatically create 100% unique captions and images that you can use in your marketing or on social media. Now, the majority of these tools are included with your AI Genius Club membership for totally free, but creating some videos do cost credits. You can see here that I can create a video that's 1 minute and 40 seconds long for just 50 credits. This is way cheaper than hiring video editors or an assistant to make videos for you. So you can see that this platform not only allows you to create the YouTube videos, but do every other step of the affiliate marketing process under one low monthly subscription. And the best part is you can get your AI Genius Club membership for totally free simply by referring 3 paid members into the software. And not only would you get your AI Genius Club membership for free, you'll earn commissions for each month they maintain a paid membership. Now you can run your entire affiliate business online for $0 a month and get paid to do it. With the AI Genius Club by The Great Discovery, you can simplify your entire business workflow, putting all your business tools into one single software under one monthly subscription. And you can get access to these tools for absolutely free just by referring 3 people. If you're interested in getting started, click on my affiliate link below.